up, everybody? OBS Bray here. Today's video is gonna be my first, I guess you call it a car review. I don't know if that's what I'm gonna call it, but my friend, he bought a Mustang recently and it's pretty nice and it's pretty loud, so we're gonna get a review in on it. He told me he just got done washing it, so we're about to go meet up at a gas station, look at it, maybe get a ride in it. Catch y'all at the gas station. Alright, here it is. My boy Devin.
Yes, sir.
Just got his car, didn't he?
Oh, yeah, about Monday.
Monday? What year is it?
2018 GT 50.
Yeah. I seen this car driving around from the old owner. So I knew how loud it was. When he first posted that picture of it, I had to ask him, who did he buy it from? Yeah. This one, nice. The auto? 6-speed or 10? 6-speed. I think Gen 3 is when 10-speed started. Yeah. How you liking it so far? What you think?
Yeah. I like it. Thing fast.
Way faster than the truck, ain't it?
Man, well, leave that truck in the dust. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You in Avery raced yet?
Mm-hmm.
Already? You smoked wood with Devin.
Easy.
I'm already knowing. Alright. Under the hood. What we got done down here?
We got long tubes. We got cold air intake under the hood. And we got Alabama tune on it.
It's tuned already.
Coilovers.
Yeah, it sits nice. I like these wheels too.
I don't really feel like the wheels or not.
I like them. There's definitely better options out there, but I like them.
Yeah. Brand new tires.
Yeah. That Coyote in there.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice for sure.
What
What fast you haven't been in it yet? Speed limit.
So I've been to speed limit.
Been the speed limit.
I've been to speed limit.
I've been the speed limit. Yeah, ×3, maybe. Yeah, this thing is nice. What kind of exhaust you got? See, it's got boiler tips on it.
Yeah,
I don't know if it's full boiler. Bro.
I'm not sure, to be honest. I know it's straight pipe, but I don't know. I forgot what dude said.
Yeah, it'll be alright. It was nice. Definitely sounds good. Definitely.
Oh, yeah.
You could tell it's straight pipe.
Them cold starts be crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I bet it do.
Yeah, like for no reason.
Hey. Yeah, they loud for sure. Mustang probably the loudest out of the three. Out of Camaro and Challenger.
Yeah.
They can get loud.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, as loud as you can go. I don't want no more loud.
Yeah.
Loud enough.
Gonna start it up. Let's hear how it sounds.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah. Golly. It sounds good for sure. Go ahead, let's hear it.
I
might need to rev it. Yo, rev it. I'm gonna have to back up. Oh my God. That's loud for sure. Holy. Yeah, that's crazy loud.
Like manual from right here.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah.
You don't know how to drive no manual. You know, real man like me, you can't drive no manual.
Let me drive it.
I can't let you burn that clutch up, man.
Oh, it's gonna be burned up.
You barely drive a dirt bike.
You gonna get my dirt bike.
Alright, gonna get a ride along in this thing.
Get the experience.
Yeah. hopefully the wind noise won't be too bad. Yeah, my truck don't push me back like that. My truck don't throw me back in the seat like that.
Oh yeah, it will throw you back.
Holy. I was not expecting that. Godly. This boy has some good power. That's some good power. Man, I need to build my motor. Okay, you can drive that thing, so. Holy. They're moving slow. That is crazy. This thing will get up. I ain't had that long. What you rated out of 10 so far?
Oh, 10. I love it.
10?
Oh, yeah.
You like the automatic, would you rather have it manual?
I mean,
or
I
you
wouldn't mind
fine with
the manual.
automatic?
Before I went to this, I actually looked at a BMW R3. I mean, M3.
Yeah.
And it was manual. I was gonna get it, but I want to wait too much damn for it.
Yeah. How many miles you got?
93,000.
That ain't bad. My truck was this loud, I wouldn't know how to act.
For real?
Yeah, it's loud, but it ain't this loud. Yeah, I bet. That's nice. I like this car.
Yeah.
This more got some giddy up, for sure. That was crazy. Fastest car I've been in. So fastest car I've been in for sure. Hey.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Dude, holy shit.
You done found you something now.
Yeah. Should I told you that? Man, what? Look.
That smoked up
Hey,
good.
Little baby mark down the road. Look at these.
Alright, let's go end this video off. He finna get out of here. I'm finna get out of here. First car review. Successful, I'd say. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this video. If I should do more. Because there's plenty cool cars around the area. So let's go end this video off. I'll catch y'all on the next one.